How to get Google Voice number outside the US. Google Voice is officially limited to the United States, but here's how people set it up abroad. Google restricts voice to US accounts due to telecom regulations. That's why you can't sign up directly overseas. So first, create a Google account with the region set to United States. Use a valid US zip code. Next, connect to a US server using a reliable VPN. This makes Google think you're signing up from inside the US. Now, Google Voice requires a US phone number for verification. You can ask a friend in the US or use a paid virtual number service that support SMS. Go to voice@google.com, choose a US area code, and verify with your US number. Once confirmed, you'll get your Google Voice number. Now, after setup, you can use Google Voice anywhere over Wi-Fi or mobile data. Calls and text work worldwide. Keep in mind this workaround may violate Google's terms. Alternatives like Skype number or text now premium or safer for long-term use. And that is how to get Google Voice number outside the US.